Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, this is lesson 5, video 1 from My English Reader. So, children, today we are going to learn the poem Travel Plans. I think you might have visited different places during the vacation, is it not? Like that, this poet also wants to visit different places. He wants to go to different places. The poet of this poem is Bobby Katz. So, let us start the poem. If you could go anywhere, where would you go? Deep in the jungle, deep in the snow, deep in the ocean to talk to a fish. If you could go anywhere that you could wish. So the poet wants to go deep in the jungle, deep in the snow. He wants to go deep in the ocean to talk to a fish. Is it possible, children? No, but the poet's wish is in that way. If I could go anywhere, here's what I'd do. I would pop in the pouch of a kind kangaroo. I would travel around for as long as I please. And I would learn to say thank you in kangaroese. So, if he wants to go anywhere, he would pop in the pouch of a kind kangaroo. That means that pouch of the kangaroo is for the baby kangaroo, but that is what we call as joy. But he would go into that pouch and he would travel around so as long as he pleases. So, and finally, he would say thank you in that kangaroese, that means in that language which the kangaroo understands, it seems, because that kangaroo takes him to different places. He wants to say thank you in that language of kangaroo. Kangaroese means the language the kangaroo understands. I would go through the whole of a needle like thread. I would spin like a top on the point of my head. I would skate on an ice cube. I would swim in a glass. I would ride on a grasshopper if one should pass. He wants to go through the whole of a needle like a thread, and he wants to spin like a top on the point of my head, like a spin. And sorry, like a top. Top spins on the point. It's not like that. He wants to spin. I would. He would skate on an ice cube. It seems, and he wants to swim in a glass. Is it possible, children? No, is it not? But the poet is imagining that all this wishes to come true. I would ride on a grasshopper. He wants to ride on a grasshopper, and because all these are possible because he became that much small. And when I got tired of being so small, I would abracadabra myself to be tall. I would step over oceans, I would step over seas. I would cause a few shipwrecks if I had to sneeze. When he has, that is when he got tired of being so small, because now till now he became very small, so that he could ride on a grasshopper, is it not? But when he got tired, he would say abracadabra, so that he becomes uh, tall, tall enough to step over oceans. He wants to step over oceans and also seas, and also he wants to cause a few shipwrecks. That means he wants to destroy the ships when he sneezes. And I would pat a giraffe on the top of his head. I would find out for sure the North Pole was red. And when I had seen all that I want to see, I hope I would know how to turn back into me. He wants to pat on the top of giraffe's head because he became tall by saying abracadabra, is it not? And he wants to see whether the North Pole was red. And after seeing all that he wants to see, he would turn back into himself. So this is the imagination. These are the wishes that Bobby Katz had. That means he wants to, which places he wants to visit. I think all of you understood, children. So, children, let us go through the exercises. First one, write homophones of the words given below. One has been done for you. So, what are homophones? It is a word that is pronounced in the same way as another word but differs in meaning and may differ in spelling. So, here some words are given and we have to write the word which is pronounced in the same way. So, first one, P-I-E-C-E, peace. P-E-A-C-E, peace. So, both the words are pronounced in the same way but they have different meaning and different spelling. Next one, M-A-L-E, male, M-A-I-L, male. So, both these words are pronounced in the same way. Male, male. So, but they have different spelling and different meaning. F-L-O-R, floor. F-L-A-W, floor. H-A-I-R, hair. H-A-R-E, hair. P-L-A-I-N, plane. P-L-A-N-E, plane. H-O-L-E, hole. W-H-O-L-E, hole. W-A-I-T, weight. W-E-I-G-H-T, weight. E-I-G-H-T, 8. A-T-E, 8. So, these are different homophones. Next, given below are some words from the poem with their letters jumbled up. Write the correct words and draw lines to match them with their meanings. Here some uh, words are given with jumbled letters. Let us correct them. So, first one, E-O-A-N-C, that is ocean, O-C-E-A-N, ocean. I-P-S-N, that is S-P-I-N, spin. R-G-E-P-H-O-P-A-S-R-S, that is grasshopper. G-R-A-S-S-H-O-P-P-E-R, grasshopper. S-T-A-E-S, so it is skates, S-K-A-T-E-S, skates. O-A-K-G-R-A-N-O, it is kangaroo. So, K-A and G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. So, now let us match the meanings. Match with the meanings. First one, ocean. It is a very large area of sea. Next one, spin. To go round and round on its axis. Next, grasshopper. An insect with 8 legs. Next, skates. A boot with wheels for gliding over ice or a hard surface. Next, kangaroo. An animal with a pouch on its stomach. So, children, I think you have understood the poem. Read the poem twice and learn it. Okay, children? Now, here's a small assignment for you. Answer the following. Where does the poet like to go in the poem? Who is the poet of the poem Travel Plans? So, children, write in your own words. I am going to give you answers later. Okay, children, thank you. Meet you in the next class.